What's happening, everybody? Boy Big Brando. This is gonna be a really quick one right here, but I wanted to show you guys what I use to bring all my packages to the post office. I know this video right here might be kind of irrelevant to a lot of people, but there's some people that's been asking me when I show on Instagram some of the packages that I'm doing. They're asking, how the hell do you get all of those to the post office? So the cost-effective way of doing things is using these big ass IKEA bags. This is usually what I use. You can buy these at IKEA for $1. They fit, I could fit 30 packages in each one. Sometimes 35 if I really want to stuff it up, but I could fit 30 poly mailers with t-shirts inside of here, and then you just walk into the post office with this thing, boom, drop it off. The second thing is this right here. I got this from Sam's Club. It folds down flat, and then it's actually a tote. Can you see that? So it's actually a big ass tote that folds down. So I usually, if I have a bunch of stuff, boxes and everything, I use these because I can fold them down nice and flat, and then they just fold right into my trunk when they're not in use. But then if I got a bunch of packages, unfold it, pop it out, put all the boxes, packages inside here, and then I'm off to the post office. So that collapsible tote is from Sam's Club. I don't know if I can find a link for it. I'll try to find one on Amazon for you guys. That's the one that I use. And then also those IKEA bags. Those things are 99 cents. They're all over IKEA. You could go to, like, right when you walk in the front door, there's a big ass basket of them right there. Pick them up, one or two of them, and then that way you could just carry all your packages. I know there's some times where people are just like, man, I'd rather just throw them in trash bags and stuff like that. That's fine. If that's how you get down, nothing wrong with that. I use this stuff because it's reusable, right? I could just keep it in my trunk. When I get a bunch of stuff ready to go, I just throw them in these bags. It makes it easier for me to walk into the post office and then be able to stack everything up inside the big door. Or if I'm just throwing them into the gurney, at least I could just dump them all into the gurney in one shot instead of making a bunch of trips from my car back to the post office, from my car back to the post office. Makes things a lot easier. I know this was a quick one. If you use something different, please let me know in the comments below, because I'm always up for suggestions. Let me know what you use to bring all your packages to the post office, or do you just call the postman and tell them to meet you at your house and pick up all your packages for you? The post office is literally right down the street, so it's easier for me to just bag everything up or box it all up, put it into these little containers, in this little bag, in this little tote, and be on my way. And these totes, you could stack them up. Say if I had a bunch of totes, like collapsible ones, I filled up maybe 3 or 4 of them, because you could buy these totes, I think, in 2 packs or 3 packs. I forgot what it is at Sam's Club. But you just get a little foldable dolly, one of these foldable hand trucks, and then just stack them up and then wheel it right into the post office. If you haven't noticed by now, I'm all about convenience. I'm trying to make things easier on myself. Sometimes some of our ideas sound a lot better in our head than they are in real life, but functionality wise, this is what works for me. If I have boxes, if I have a lot of packages, I'll use the foldable crates or foldable totes. If I just have about 30 packages going out to the post office, then I'll just fill them up in these bags. Like I said, if I'm doing like 60 or something like that, I just fill up 2 bags and then I'm off. Throw them in my trunk, and then they fold down really small. So here's the bag. It's a big ass bag, right? Size comparison. But then you just fold this thing down, tuck it away in your trunk. That's all it is, you know what I mean? Hopefully this helps somebody out there. Like I said, if you guys are using something totally different, or if you have a better method, I'm all ears. So let me know what you guys use down in the comments, or tag me on Instagram, Big Brando TV. Let me know what you guys use, all right? Catch you guys on next one, man. Yeah.